Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of digital finance. You might have heard this term before and wondered, what exactly is it, and why is it revolutionizing the way we manage our money? Join me on this journey to discover it in a simple and enjoyable way. To start, let's think of digital finance as a natural evolution of technology in the economic field. Traditionally, when we talked about finance, we referred to banks, cash, checks, and that pile of paperwork that sometimes seemed endless. But with the arrival of the internet and mobile devices, the way we manage our money has changed drastically. Now, we can make transactions, pay bills, invest, and even request loans, all through a screen. Isn't it incredible how technology has simplified our lives? Imagine that before you had to wait in line at the bank to deposit a check, but today, with just one click, you can transfer funds anywhere in the world. This accessibility has opened the doors to a world where people, regardless of their location, can participate in the digital economy. Digital finance covers a wide variety of services, such as online banking, cryptocurrencies, mobile payment apps, and automated investment platforms. All these services share the goal of making money management faster, more efficient, and, above all, more inclusive. A fundamental aspect of digital finance is security. It might sound contradictory, but in such a dynamic environment, protecting your information and transactions is a top priority. Thanks to advanced encryption techniques and security protocols, companies and platforms operating in this field work constantly to ensure your data and money are protected. It's natural to have some doubts about trusting digital methods, but over time, these measures have been perfected to offer an increasingly secure experience. Another interesting point is how digital finance has transformed access to credit and investments. In the past, getting a loan or investing in certain markets was usually reserved for a few. Today, thanks to online platforms and algorithms that evaluate risks almost instantly, a larger number of people have the opportunity to access financial products tailored to their needs. This not only promotes financial inclusion but also encourages innovation and entrepreneurship worldwide. Furthermore, the digital transformation in finance is also driving changes in the global economy. Cryptocurrencies, for example, have sparked an intriguing debate about the value and nature of money. Although there are still many debates and challenges around this topic, there's no doubt they represent another example of how technology can transform traditional structures. What once seemed unattainable for many has now become a viable option thanks to digital platforms and the decentralization of financial power. Another highlight is the speed and convenience digital finance offers. In a world where time is an increasingly valuable resource, being able to manage your finances from the comfort of your home or on the go is a huge advantage. Mobile apps, real-time notifications, and the ability to track your investments from anywhere are just some of the tools that have emerged to adapt to our modern pace of life. However, like any innovation, there are also challenges. Adapting to new technologies can be overwhelming for some people, especially those used to traditional methods. Additionally, our dependence on technology invites us to reflect on the digital divide and how we can ensure everyone has access to these tools regardless of their socioeconomic level. These are important topics we need to keep exploring as we move forward in this digital era. In summary, digital finance represents a new way to interact with money and financial services. It offers us greater convenience, efficiency, and access, but also invites us to be cautious and educate ourselves on how to use these tools to protect our interests. The digital transformation in finance is not just a passing trend, but a profound change that will continue evolving and shaping the global economy. To conclude, I invite you to reflect on the impact of technology in our daily lives. Are you ready to take advantage of the opportunities digital finance offers? Remember that the first step to benefit from this revolution is to stay informed and open to learning. Explore, research, and actively participate in this new financial era. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue uncovering the ins and outs of the financial world.